from Frontenac Cycle here again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about what to do with your cracked carbon, whether it's the frame or components that you have. If you get in an accident and you crack the carbon, how do you get it fixed and what that process is. Here we have the 2016 Norco Tactic SL frame. It was a complete bike that I was riding at one point. I had it stored in the warehouse and came down to it, noticing that there was a crack in the top tube. Not exactly sure what happened. I suspect something might have fallen on it and impacted it, but don't actually know for sure. Either way, it has to get fixed. So we reached out to Cracked Carbon Canada, based out of London, Ontario. They've been around since 2016. They've got a couple of guys there that have been fixing carbon for a while now. They've got certifications to fix aircraft and all sorts of other things. Bikes are a specialty of theirs. So we're going to be sending it off to them and hopefully getting it back soon enough, and then building it back up into a fast road bike for myself. So stay tuned for that. So we've got our frame all wrapped up with some padding and foam. I've got some extra padding in the box here, and we're going to send it off to Cracked Carbon Canada.
Hey everyone, I'm Connor from Cracked Carbon Canada. Today this cracked top tube came in, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown on how we go about repairing it. As you can see, I've already masked off the surrounding area. This is more of a preventative measure so that we don't mistakenly stuff any of the other paint beyond the repair area. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the sanding booth and remove about this 4-inch portion, bring it down to bare carbon so we can see exactly what the damaged area looks like. Now that we have removed the paint, we can now see the full extent of the crack where it starts and ends. So we will now perform a cutout. The cutout was complete, and then we did a proprietary step in between. Now we can do a wet layup. And after the wet layup, we can either use tape or a vacuum bag. Now we have the repair under heat. That will give the resin system a little bit of an extra kick, so it will cure quicker. So we sanded down the resin bridging areas, and now we're going to add a little bit of aerodynamic filler just to make everything 100% smooth and in conformance. The repair paint is now complete. We're now ready to send this Norco Tactic frame back to Frontenac Cycle out in Kingston. I want to say thank you guys for allowing us the opportunity to work on your frame. It is greatly appreciated, and I hope that the video gives everyone a little bit of a basic insight on how we go about repairing a cracked carbon frame.
Welcome back, everybody. We are ready to unbox the frame that we got fixed at Cracked Carbon Canada. Big shout out to those guys over there because they did an awesome job filming the process, and I hope you guys found that interesting. Today's the day we're gonna build it up into a bike again. So this is my first look at the frame. We'll see how they did. Ooh, look at that. Fantastic job. They've gotten a nice match. You know, you can tell where it was fixed, but it looks like it belongs. So that I'm very excited about. Let's pop it in the stand and start building. So we got the bike all together, frame fixed from Cracked Carbon Canada. Nice sunny day, and we're ready to take it for a little rip. Here we go. The bike is all together, as you can see, working perfectly. So big thanks to Cracked Carbon Canada. They did an excellent job fixing the bike. It rides smooth as it ever did. Looking forward to getting lots of Ks this summer on it. Some big rides planned, and yeah, very stoked for it. So thanks for watching.
All right, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to hammer that like button and subscribe because we've got more coming to you. Thank you very much.